hoping to hit a high note with investors when public trading begins on Wednesday in New York. Tencent Music Entertainment looks set to be the third largest Chinese initial public offering in the US this year. That's behind video streaming company iQiyi and social shopping app Pinduoduo. The lead up to the IPO has been far from harmonious.
It's kind of like the incredible melting ice cube. I mean, this thing started out with great aspirations.
The company, which owns 3 streaming platforms and the karaoke app WeSing, had hoped to go public in October with the goal of raising $4 billion. But it delayed the move amid US-China trade tensions and market volatility. Tencent now aims to raise up to $1.2 billion.
This has gotten downsized way beyond recognition and where it was originally intended to be. So it appears as though the outlook from both the company, Tencent Music, as well as the underwriters is we just have to get this deal done.
And the last US IPO for a music streaming company failed to strike a chord with investors. Shares in Sweden's Spotify plunged 10% on their first day of trading earlier this year. But unlike Spotify, Tencent is profitable. According to an exchange filing, the company made almost $400 million in net income for the first 9 months of this year, compared to a loss of more than $500 million for Spotify. Listing in the US rather than in China gives Tencent access to a larger capital market, meaning the company can raise more money, possibly giving it a larger valuation. And it allows it to use those newly acquired US dollars to acquire assets globally. Going public here also gives Chinese companies with little exposure in the US an added advantage.
IPO would give them greater visibility. It'll be a known name in the United States once it goes public here. So it'll raise to the profile of Alibaba, maybe not to that market cap, but it'll give them a great positive publicity in the United States.
And some analysts say a boost in name recognition could be key to Tencent Music's worldwide success, as it looks to make more noise in the fiercely competitive streaming music market. Nick Harper, CGTN, New York.